Hi Genius, are you a kind of person who used to post something in social medias and looking for hashtags and description in Google? You can also create AI powered web application by using OpenAI and ChatGPT, and you can host it in your website itself. So in this video, we are gonna have the complete hands-on experience throughout this project. Hi, my name is Sanjay. Welcome to this video. We are going to create Instagram description and hashtag generator AI based application in just 6 steps. So let us go for the hands-on. First of all, as we already discussed that it has only 6 steps. The first step, we are going to create an account in OpenAI and we are going to get an API key. So first of all, to do that, we are going to visit this URL called openai.com. So once you visited this URL, so this is the homepage of this OpenAI. Once you went into this URL, you just want to click API. So once you have clicked an API, it is going to ask you to create an account in it. First of all, you just want to click sign up and you just want to log in this account by using your Google account. So I'm just going to click continue with Google and I'm going to give the name. So, and you just want to click continue. So, and it is going to ask you the phone number for verification. To do that, you just want to give your phone number. So it is going to ask you the like OTP code, which is going to be sent to your mobile number via SMS. So I'm just going to enter the code. So once you enter, so you just want to click continue, so that it is just going to ask you some the info about you. So I'm just going to click this. I'm exploring for personal use. So once you have did, so you will be in this homepage where you can able to see the power of OpenAI. So what all the application you can able to develop with the help of this OpenAI. So once you get into the page, you just want to click your personal account, like once you have visited this page, you just want to click this icon to go for this view API keys. Once you are gone for it, so initially it will be showing you to create a new API key. So you just want to click that so that you will be getting a new API key. You just copy it and paste in your notepad. So because it is going to be helpful for later use. So this is the first step. I hope the first step is very easy. So just we need to create an account in OpenAI and to get the API key to be configured in the Python program. And step number 2, we need to install Python and the libraries like Flask, OpenAI and other required libraries. To do that, first of all, we need to visit the official website which is python.org. So once you have visited there, so where there is an option called download Python 3.11.1. There are a lot of versions. It is going to show you a list like 3.9, 3.8, 3.10 and etc. First step is you need to choose some version. For an example, you can select some version from this below list. I'm going to select Python 3.10.9. So there is no any mandatory requirement that you need to you choose this version. So I'm just randomly choosing some version and you just scroll down and you just look for this executable installer. Yes. So here you just want to choose this Windows installer 64-bit. Once it has been downloaded, so you can able to see the exe file which is present in your downloaded folder. You just simply double click it and don't forget to check this add python.exe to the path and complete the installation by clicking install now. So once this installation has been completed, you just click close. So now Python is ready to use. But before that, we need to install some of the mandatory libraries. So the first library which we required is OpenAI library. So to do that, first of all, we already installed Python. So environmental variables is also been configured. So simply type cmd in your search box and run as administrator. So and click S. So your command prompt is going to be appeared. So now you just want to type pip pip space install space OpenAI. So this is the command to install OpenAI library into the Python. Yes, we guys have completed the installation of OpenAI. And the second library which we need to install is Flask. Flask is a framework which is going to be helpful for creating a web application by using Python. So the command to install that is pip space install space Flask. Yes, we guys have installed the second part, which is to install Flask in our Python. And the third one is we need some of the requirements, so some of the libraries on specific version to successfully implement this project. To do that, first of all, we have this requirement.txt in my local directory where it has lot of libraries and its version. To install that, we have a certain command. The command is pip space install space -r space requirements.txt. First of all, we need to copy the directory where our requirements.txt file which lies. So first of all, you just go to the command prompt and type cd space and paste the directory. If it is present in another directory, you just want to give that directory drive name and keep a colon and press enter. So please make sure you have gone into the directory from the command window. So once you have gone into this command window, then you need to enter the commands. The command is pip space install space -r requirements.txt. So you just want to go to the command window and please enter that pip space install space -r requirement.txt. So once you guys have clicked enter, so it will install all required libraries to build this web application by using this Python and Flask framework. Yes, successfully we guys have installed every required libraries. So this is all up to step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 3 is to create CSS file to design your outlook and format of your web application. So this is gonna be helpful for designing your how the web application should look for you. So to do that, first of all, I've already given some source code to design that. So before creating this CSS file, so first of all, this CSS file need to be created inside that static folder. So in this main directory, you just click new folder and give the name called static and press enter. And inside that, you just want to right click and click new and text document. You just want to type main.css. So once you click enter, it is going to show you like, are you sure you want to change it? Yes. So once it has been done, you just right click it and you can open it in your Notepad++. So if you don't have Notepad++, you can get it from the Google. So you just want to paste the command. So what is the command is this code which is present in this main.css, which is going to be helpful for doing that formatting. So how that UI should look and what is the font it should be used there. So everything is going to be configured with the help of the CSS file. So once it has been done, you just want to click save. So this is all up to the step number 3. And the step number 4 is to create a HTML program to configure the functionality of the application. The functionality of the application is like whenever you are clicking a button, what it should do, and the text boxes which is out there to get the input from the user. So those kind of functionality is going to be created with the help of HTML source code. So I have some sample HTML source code, so which is going to be used in this project. So for that, we need to create a folder named templates, and inside that we need to give the name called index.html. So first of all, go back to your root directory and create a new folder and give the name called templates. And inside that we need to create a file name called index.html. So again, go to the templates folder and click new and click a text document which is index dot, and please change the format .html. Okay, so if you don't have if you can't able to see that .txt extension, please make sure you just gone for this view and you just enable this hidden or you just enable this file name extension so that you can able to see that extension. Remove that txt and put the html so that you can able to see the index.html is gonna looks like this. So once it has been done, so now you just copy this complete source code where it is gonna be created to get the data from the users and those stuff. So let me show you open this index.html in the notepad again and paste the source code. You just see here what is going to be the title, Instagram description generator, and also whenever you are looking for web application designing, so there should be a logo and there should be some title images. So for that, in my directory itself, I have some images which is in the extension of .png. So the image name is insta.png. So that are all the images which has been configured in this HTML file. So insta.png, and here also we have this insta.png. So this is going to be helpful for having that functional access towards that a web application. So once it has been done, it's time to go for the next step. So the next step is to write a Python program with an API key and configure the functionality of the tool. So guys, here let me tell you something. In this project, we are developing or we are creating the AI based tool for creating the Instagram description and hashtags. This is not only for this. Whatever you really want, you can simply change in 2 lines based on your need, so you can create your own application for your needs especially. So first of all, here I have a Python program, so let me show you that. So I'm going to copy the source code and I'm going to go to the directory. So in the main directory, you just want to create the new Python file. So to do that, you just go for the new again, click text document, you just give the name app.py. So Python programs extension is gonna be .py. So once it has been done, you'll be getting this Python source code where you can right click again, you can open in the notepad++ and please paste the program. So this program, so what actually this program is doing is it is going to get the data from the user. Like for an example, you just see here, give me 2-line codes and 10 hashtags for an Instagram post for the following text. So following text is nothing but the text which is gonna be given in the web page. Are you all excited? So in this main program, so the first thing which you need to do is we need to configure our API key. I hope you all remember that we already acquired this API key from the web page. So please visit this OpenAI.com. So where we guys have generated this API key, please copy that API key and go here and you just want to paste your API key in this place. And please don't forget to click Ctrl S. So once it has been done, it's ready to run. So before that, let me give you the quick overview about this program. So this program is going to use this API key with the help of that API key based on the statement which is going to be given in that application. So it is going to create the response with the help of ChatGPT. So, and also the model which it is using is text-davinci-002. So let us run and let us see the output. So are you guys all excited? If you all excited, you just post I'm excited in the comment box below. To run this application, go to the main directory and click in this menu and you just simply type cmd and press enter. So you'll be getting the command prompt which is gonna be opened in your directory. So here you just want to simply type flask space run and you just want to click enter. So this is gonna be the simple procedure where you can able to see the last and final 6th step. So once you have got every installation has been done, you just want to run the command called flask space run in your command prompt. So flask space run and you just want to press enter. So once you guys have pressed enter, it is really successful. So it is ready to use. If we are not getting any error, we just got a URL. So http://127.0.0.1:5000. Okay, so this is the URL which we got. What you just do is you just simply copy this URL. So once you copied this URL and you just go to the browser and in a new tab, please paste that URL and press enter. Ta-da! So within a short span of time, within the 6 steps, we guys have created an application. Just see here the title which has been given as Instagram description generator and input text and those stuff. So what you can do is you can simply write the info where it can able to generate the required replies based on the question which you are given. For an example, I'm just typing New Year 2023. So and you can simply click generate description. So it is going to create the quote with the hashtags. You can able to see this. A new year brings new beginnings. Embrace 2023 with open arms and make it your best year yet. So it just created a lot of hashtags as well. Is it super great? If it is super great, you just post your comments in the description below. So instead, for an example, you can type about life mindset. So you can click generate description. It will automatically create you like your life will only change when you change your mindset. So Tony Robbins, life mindset, change your mindset. So it already created the hashtags for you. So I hope you really love this application, and also this application is now it is running in the local host. You can't able to access this page from anywhere else in this like through internet. So to do that, you just want to host this complete application with the help of any server like AWS. And also if you want to check it out for free, you can also use ngrok. So if you are going to use ngrok, please be safe with that because it is having some security issues as well. So you can, in your friendly circle, you can just share it. Don't try to share or don't leave it for protection. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So thank you so much. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified. So thank you so much. It's me Sanjay signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the next video.